Play. She's a little soft at the bottom. You can see the water tracking down in the center bottom of the screen. It goes down towards the steering axle of the truck and becomes a big friggin' mud hole down there. We already dug some clay out and put more in, and it ain't really good soil that we're hauling either, so it's hard to pack any good stuff in there. You're kind of hauling mud. Some of it's okay and some of it isn't. Choo choo choo, get out of there. Ha ha ha. Give him a little push with the back of the bucket. Maybe you'll have to come down and pull him out now. That's right. Okay, looks like you can push it from there, Doug. Okay, he's gonna push the bucket. He's shoveling. He's shoveling. Hey, push with the hole, push with the truck. Whoa! Now, get a chain and pull from the front now. He was pushing, yeah. You got a chain? I got one on my truck. Okay, do her again. Don't take much of a tug, and those holes got a lot of power. It's amazing, really. Stretch. Keep pulling, hold it. Doug ain't out yet. There you are. Things to do. I'll go take the thing off. Hey, you still hauling? Ain't getting stuck now because you got the matting. So we're hauling clay. Fill, they're getting some topsoil ready to fill in on top. Got some matting to back in, so now we're not getting stuck. And it's go, 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 go. So I'm never ever taking a video because I'm always busy. There's like a couple insects or crabs working away there. It smells similar to a beaver pond. All that topsoil and stuff has been buried for years. Horn's got to ring, and then it'll be my turn. Okay, here I go. Well, today we got 3 hose working here. It's a lot colder. It's like minus 19 or 20 overnight, or 16 or something, I don't remember. It's only 13 below now. But we got the one guy on the right hand side, he's digging up all the old topsoil. The guy on the far left is digging clay, and the guy in the middle is loading whichever one product needs to be loaded. So toss that stuff over on the right so it's closer, and throw it over more. Cat 322C. Komatsu PC270. And behind is a Cat, I think a 325C. And now it's my turn.